So as I was saying, starting a home studio wasn't that easy. It wasn't that really easy. I had to convince people that my house, my my one bedroom house was a business place, was a studio for me, and it wasn't that easy to convince clients. Yeah, it was so headache because some people had a negative mind about it. Yeah, negative mind about it. I had to tell them that this is a business, not a pleasure place. This is a place. So I had to do something about it. I had to make sure all my clients, the one that I was targeting, I target parents. So I made sure that the photography that I was doing in the house was for kids, small kids, so that they come with the parents. When parents trust your business, parents, those are the best clients that you can ever have. Those are the best clients. Those are the people that you can trust your job forever, not other people. So I had to, I had to, I had to make sure that those are my target niche during this studio when I was starting this studio in the house, because many people were calling me to do photography for them. It was in their house, It was really in their house, and yeah, I I was supposed to convince them. I was. This is my life. This is what I have. This is the only thing that will keep me away from getting poor, or from being lazy around, from being having a hard life. So I decided I will go for the right client for me during this time that I have my job, my house. Apart from client, I used to take photography in this place that time. This was my first place to be taking photography, in this cemetery, Gilgit Cemetery. Okay, so those are the first client I had was the people that I was taking picture of, and they were asking me, when are you starting a studio? When? When? When are you starting a studio? So I told them I have a house, a studio. If they can trust my job down here, why can't they trust my job in the house? So I decided to bring them in the house. In my one bedroom studio house. So I sleep in the bedroom. The sitting room was my business. And that is how it started growing. People started telling others, even others my clients that do have vehicle, they used to travel from town to my house, which my house is so far away from town. I wish I could show you guys, but it's so far. I have to use like a motorbike to go to town, but sometimes I walk. I make sure I walk. Sometimes that is when you want to save, fire. Huh? Financial independent, yeah, the theme. So I had to tell them that, yeah. Okay, so guys, when I started making those clients from outside there, now they believe in my house studio, in my house business. It started growing. Growing slowly and slowly. And, did it had challenges? Yes, it had challenges. When I have visitors in my house, like friends have come over, when business come, I have to tell them, get out, man. Guys, sit outside. I need to do a business in my house. So I had to make sure they go out and remain in the house. Now I start doing my business. I change the room into a studio again. I start to remove seats, put my backdrop in the house, and that was it. That is how it started. That is how we started growing. Make sure that every person, every friend that I have, I tell them that they have a studio. And where did they ask where the studio is? I tell them the studio is out of the town, but I wouldn't mind if you guys can come, because I believe in what I was doing. I continue doing that and talking to friends that could help me get my studio outside the room to a commercial place. And that is where we are going. Wait for the next episode. I will show you where we went.
Whoop whoop. I bet that's just as cute at your house. Okay, guess I have to go. Sorry, I hate to leave you alone. Visiting hours are over. But she's my emotional support animal. Woof woof. I bet that's just as cute at your house. Okay.